Here we have a NerdOCTAxe version 2.2 board that came in for repair. That's how the board looks like. And I've worked on a couple of Nerd boards before. This is a Bitcoin mining board, and most of them are suffering from the same issue. The two boards I have posted on our channel, the Nerd boards, were suffering from the same issue. We're gonna check if this one has the same problem. The layout of the board is different. It's bigger, thinner, so I do not know if they have the same problem. Okay, let's read what the customer wrote. Referral, your YouTube channel. Description, that short. From online reviews, it appears the VRMs are the most common cause for version 2.2 board. I would like to see all 4 VRMs upgraded to a higher quality if it can be repaired. Trying to reinvent the wheel or re-engineer the board may work against us. Like somebody sends you a board, change all the components on the board. I want everything changed. You can't. You cannot change all the components on the board. I take my car to a mechanic, change everything. Everything that can cause future issues. It does not work like this. We're gonna figure out what the problem is. And those VRMs, they die because of heat. As long as you maintain a good temperature on the board, it's very unlikely that you're gonna have issues. But when you overvolt the board and you abuse the board, a lot of heat, you do not pay attention to temperatures, or maybe you do, I do not know. But that's how VRMs fail. Whether it's a video card, it's a Nerd board, any device. Heat is the #1 killer of most high-end boards. I'm looking for that fuse. Like the other board that we worked on, the layout of the board is different, but they follow the same concept. The customer did mention version 2.2. I do not know what that means. What's significant about version 2.2? Is it the layout of the board, or is it the firmware? So what I want to do is I want to measure to see if we have a short circuit on this diode. So we want to find a ground spot on the board. Let's choose this one here. And let's measure. My multimeter is off, diode mode. And look at this. Exactly the same issue as the other boards that we worked on, the Nerd boards. Exactly the same issue. That's a good thing. You know why? Because we can inject voltage at the short and we can figure out which VRM is the problem. Let's do it. Okay, so let's inject voltage. And what is getting hot on the board? Right there, you see it? Right there. We got it. So it's the second VRM from the left. So 1, 2. This is the one that is getting hot, right there. And we do have the chips in stock. I knew from the first time we fixed one of them that we were going to get a lot more. So we stocked up on those chips. Now the nice thing about the position or the location of this compared to the other Nerd motherboard that we worked on is this chip is not next to a lot of plastic connectors. On the other Nerd motherboard we had to heat up from the bottom so we do not melt the connectors. This one here, except for this cap, pretty much safe. Maybe we can cover the area here and we're gonna focus air right there. We do, however, have another aluminum cap right here. We have to watch out. We do not want to expose those caps to a lot of heat because they can pop and they will aim for the pupil of the eye, 100%. So what good is it if you fix the board and you only have one eye? They're gonna then call me Pirate Alex. I'm gonna use a small nozzle, and I wanna point away from the caps, away. Okay, so pin number 1 is on the left. Per that arrow that you see on the left, we safely remove the chip. And have that flux white. If you do not have this flux, you are missing out. I use it in every video. One of the most amazing fluxes that you can get your hands on. The flow, how long it lasts, not so much the smell, but good medicine does not taste good. If your medicine tastes like candy, you have the wrong medicine. It has like a cardboard type of smell. The formula, it forces us to go with the smell because of how good this formula is. We do not want to change it. We do not want to add 2 drops of perfume in the mix. We have a lot of glare. Let's use our anti-glare light. Beautiful. Not even a single speck of glare, right? That's the magic of the NorthridgeFix anti-glare light. If you have not already bought one, I do not know what you are waiting for. If you are in the same type of business or you are a hobbyist, log into NorthridgeFix. How many times do I need to mention it? A lot of you already bought the anti-glare light, and a lot of you are making their life a lot easier. It's not only because we sell it and we make money, that's part of it. Of course, it's business. But we make your life so much easier. So that's a new chip. Pin number 1 on the left. And we are 1 step away getting rid of that short. Now, I did not measure if we still have a short, and I'm not going to measure because I like to live on the edge. Those coins are falling over. Let me put the coins back. I do not really need the coins, but just for safety, because I like my eyes. And we are done. 100% done. Let me clean up quick. And then we can measure to see if we still have a short after doing that work. Why take the easy way out, right? No, I'm just 100% confident. The thermal camera is not gonna lie to us. I know my thermal camera. Okay, and we are done. The chip that we replaced is this one here. All we have to do is measure for a short. It would have been better if we sent it to the customer without measuring for a short. More suspense, right? But we're not gonna do that. We're gonna measure it. We're gonna see if we still have a short circuit. And let's measure to ground if we still have a short. We're gonna measure right here. And we do not have a short anymore. Awesome. 0.4 voltage drop. Amazing. We did it. We did it. We're gonna invoice and mail it back to the customer. Last repair for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do something else in the next video.
When the signal starts to fade away and the logic's gone astray, Alex brings the circuit's pulse to life, cutting through the static and the strife. NorthridgeFix has got the power flow, better than the factory you know. Better than the factory you know. In the valley where the circuit sleeps, a whispered legend that the thunder keeps. NorthridgeFix, the power and the glory.